You see this problem. This is a 5 marks question. Is it transparent? Mukta Traders have a branch at Gulbarga. Mukta Traders have a branch at Gulbarga. From the following information, prepare branch account. They asked to prepare the branch account of the head office. Stock on 1/1/2010, 20,000. Goods sent to branch 50,000. Cash sent to branch during the year. Salary 18,200. Rent 12,000. Okay. Then return. Goods returned by branch. 2,000. Cash received from branch 66,000. Stock on 31/12/2010, 24,000. This is the information given. On the basis of this, they asked to prepare branch account. Okay. And in the previous class, I told debit side 4 item, credit side 4 item in the branch account. Debit side 4 item. Debit side 4 item in the branch account. Credit side 4 item in the branch account. Okay, you tell me what are the items will you take on the debit side of the branch account?
Stock on 1/1.
Branch account, the debit side, first item you have to do. Come on, tell me.
Stock
Stock, what is the amount of stock?
90,000.
Stock 90,000. Is it transparent or not? Amount ella? Stock on 1/1/2010. What is the amount?
20,000.
20,000. First item 20,000. Then what is the second item will you take? Second item, tell me. Branch
Goods
account
sent
debit side.
to branch.
What is the amount?
Goods sent to branch.
What is the amount?
50,000.
What is the third item?
50,000.
Then third item.
50,000.
No, I am asking third
Cash
item.
sent to branch during the year 2010 for
Third item is cash sent to branch. Okay. That is two bank. Two bank items. What are the two bank? What is the total amount sent to branch for expense?
Salary, rent.
Salary rent total. What is the total?
$30,200.
30,200 is the third item. And fourth item is, what is the fourth item on the debit side? Branch account. Branch account debit side, fourth item. You don't know? Yesterday told them. RDD. Is there RDD? No RDD. Okay, three
No,
items
sir.
completed. Then what is the first item on the credit side? First item on the credit side.
Cash or bank.
Cash or bank. Means it is cash received from branch. What is the amount? Cash received from branch. 66,000. Okay.
66,000.
Then what is the second item? Credit side.
6,000.
Goods returned by branch. Okay. Goods sent to branch. Then third item.
Closing stock.
Closing stock. What is the amount?
24,000.
24,000. Okay. Now you see the account. You see the account. Is it your account or not? Branch account. Particular amount. Debit side first item. to balance brought down. That is opening stock, 20,000. First item. Second item, goods sent to branch. What is the amount? Goods sent to branch,
50,000.
50,000.
Then third item is to bank or cash. To bank or cash, under that you have to take two items.
Salary, rent.
Salary, rent. Salary is 18,200. Rent is 12,000. Total 30,200. And fourth item on the debit side is RDD. RDD is not in the problem. Okay. Go to credit side. First item in the credit side is cash or bank. Under the cash or bank, you have to take cash sale and collection. Cash or bank. Cash collected from branch. It is the cash given by branch to head office. What is the amount? Cash received from branch, 66,000. Okay, 66,000. Then next, second item is goods returned by branch. Goods returned by branch. That is recorded as goods sent to branch. Remember this. Heading is same. Goods returned by branch is recorded as goods sent to branch. Amount is 2,000. Then third item is abnormal loss. Abnormal loss is not in the problem. Abnormal loss is not in the problem. Therefore, last item. What is last item? Closing stock. You write closing stock.
Closing stock.
Closing stock is 24,000. Or debit side item completed, credit side item completed, you close the account. Total is 1,02,000. Debit side is more. Someone is disturbing, please mute your audio. Okay. If you want to react, you sit in a silent place. Okay. Debit side is more. Debit side is more. Therefore, you take the total of debit side. Debit side total is 1,02,000. And credit side total, you take and dig difference. The difference goes to general P&L account. The general P&L account amount is 8,200. 8,200. This is called as net loss, branch loss. Remember this. Idu branch loss anta karitivi. Credit side bantandra. Clear? This is a 5 marks question. Okay. This is the 5 marks question. Now we go to next problem. You see this. From the following information, prepare branch debtors account. Branch debtors account. I think you all studied debtors account in your single entry system, conversion of single entry system. One by one, tell me. Debtors on 1,12,000. Debit side or credit side of the debtors account?
Debit side.
Debit side.
Debtors on 31st/12/2010. Debit or credit?
Credit side.
Credit side. Credit
Next.
side.
Debit side. Opening stock. Opening debtor. Closing. Credit.
Kelumandi opening and Kelumandi debit and remove the debtors on 1/1/2010 is the opening. Comes on debit or credit?
Debit.
Debit.
Debtors on 31st/12/2010.
Credit.
Credit side.
Credit side.
Credit side.
Allowance to debtors. Allowance to customer or debtor. Debit or credit?
Credit side.
Credit side.
Credit side.
Cash received from debtor.
Credit side.
Credit side. Return from debtor.
Debit side.
Return from debtors account, debit side.
Credit side.
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 Huh? Five marks question ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನಿಮಗ್
Yes, sir.
huh? Return from debtors, sales return,
Credit side.
ಒಬ್ರು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಒಬ್ರು
Credit
ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್
side.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಬೈಪಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅಭಿ ತಕ್ बैड नहीं किया है yesterday I gave full detail of the accounts and I inform you people to go through go to the accounts thoroughly and remember the items coming on the debit side and credit side. But now you are telling someone telling debit side, another is telling credit side, and in between you people I am facing the problem. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ debit side debtors account only two items. Debit side only two. One is opening balance, another is credit sale. Two items comes on the debit side and all remaining comes on the credit side in general. Okay. Return from debtors comes on the credit side. Next, discount.
Credit
Credit
side.
side.
Credit side.
Bad debt,
Credit side.
Credit.
credit side. Over. You see the account. Branch debtors account.
Yes.
Right heading, branch debtors, not total debtors. In your single entry system, you prepare in the single entry system,
Total debtors account.
total debtors account. But here you write branch debtors account. Branch debtors account. Okay. Heading is branch debtors account. Particular amount. First item, opening debtors, debit side. Two balance brought down, 12,500. Second item, closing debtors, credit side. Buy balance carried down. Okay, second item. Third item, allowance, credit side, 375. Cash received from debtors, credit side, by cash or bank, 25,500. Return, credit side, sales return, 310. Discount, credit side, 1,200. Okay. Bad debt, credit side, 450. All the items completed. Now you take the total. Total is 45,685. 45,685. Then you take the total and difference. Difference is called as credit sale. So credit sale is 33,185. 33,185 is the credit sale. Clear? So you remember the debtors account is important in branch. We prepare this branch account for the purpose branch debtors account to ascertain three items. One is opening balance, second is cash, third is closing balance. For these items we prepare branch account. Okay. This is the second example. 5 marks question. Clear? Branch debtors account. Then come to the next one. Ganesh Traders. Ganesh Traders has a branch at Bidar. Ganesh Traders has a branch at Bidar. The following particulars, from the following particulars, prepare branch account. Okay, you read this problem. I changed the problem. Book in the book, there is a difference. Second method is there. So, but I am solving this problem on the first method. Ganesh Traders has a branch at Bidar. From the following particulars, prepare branch account. Prepare branch account. Okay, branch account. From the for the year ending 31st 2012. First item, stock on 1/1/2012. Is it opening stock or closing stock?
Opening.
Opening stock.
Branch account debit or credit?
Debit side.
Debit side.
Next, goods sent to branch. Branch
Debit
account
side.
credit.
Goods sent to branch. Debit side.
Then cash sent to branch. Cash sent to branch. Debit side or
Debit side.
huh?
Debit side. Debit.
Cash sent to
Debit
branch.
side.
Debit side. Okay. Then cash sale.
Credit side.
Credit
Credit
side.
Cash sale, credit side. Then goods returned by branch.
Credit side.
Credit side. Stock on 31st 12/2012.
Credit
side.
side.
Closing stock.
Closing stock comes on the credit side. Okay.
Credit side.
What are the amounts coming on the debit side? You tell me. Amounts, debit side amounts.
5,000.
First 5,000, second.
70,000.
Next.
70,000.
70,000.
16,000.
16,000. 16,000.
Okay.
This much only.
What is the total? What is the total?
91,000 side. Debit side total.
91,000 total of debit side. Okay. What is the credit side total? What are the items on the credit side and what is total?
Cash sales 85,000. Goods returned by branch 7,500.
Okay.
And closing stock 23,000.
Total, what is total?
50,500.
1,15,500.
1,15,500.
500.
And then what is the difference? Debit side, credit side. Debit side 91,000. You did
1,15,500.
Profit is
what is profit?
24,500. 24,500.
24,500. Very good. Good. Okay, now you see the account. This is the branch account, particular amount. Then opening stock is 5,000. Goods sent to branch 70,000. To cash sent to branch for expense. Under that, first is rent 2,000. Salary 10,000. General expense 3,000. Wages 1,000. Total 16,000. Like this, you take the total. Okay. Don't take double time. Then come to the credit side. First is branch cash. 85,000 sales. In the bracket, you write cash sale. In the bracket, you write cash sale. I have not recorded. Please, you write in the bracket or under this, you write cash sale. You can cash sale anta bariri. Nan pale nang baraka ni bariri. Then second item by goods sent to branch. It is return. Then last item is closing stock, 23,000. Total is 1,15,500. Credit side total. Credit side total. Difference is 24,500. 24,500. This is called as net profit. Branch profit. Clear? Branch profit. Come to the next. From the following particulars, prepare particulars of a branch, prepare branch debtors account. They have to prepare debtors account. Then you see there, debtors on 1/1/2012,
Debit side.
debit side. Goods sent to branch during the year.
Debit side.
ಯಾವ account? Which account?
Debtors account.
Debtors account, debit side.
Branch account,
Branch
debit
account.
side.
Branch account,
Debit
debit side.
Branch
I am
account.
asking, they are asked to prepare debtors account, not branch account. The question is, you are asked to prepare branch debtors account, not branch account.
Ha.
Now you tell me. First item, debit side, okay, 2 balance brought down. Second item comes to the debtors account or not?
Branch account. No.
No. Then cash sale, debtors account
No,
comes or no?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Cash sale, no. Then collection from debtors,
Ha.
Credit side.
Credit side.
Credit side. Credit sale,
Debit side.
Debit side.
debit side. Debit side. Then discount allowed,
Credit side.
side.
bad date,
Credit side.
Credit side.
huh?
Credit side.
Credit side. Then goods return,
Credit side.
huh?
Credit side.
Credit side. Okay. First item comes on debit side. First is debit side. Okay. And second,
No, sir.
second, no, it will not come. Third, no, this is a cash item. Fourth, credit side. Fifth, debit or credit, cash, credit sale.
Debit side.
Debit side. Discount, credit. Bad date,
Allowed. Credit side.
credit. Then
Credit side.
goods return, credit. Okay. Then you tell me the total of debit side. What is the total of debit side?
12
lakh.
lakh.
2 lakh plus
12 lakh.
12 lakh.
12 lakh. Okay. Then what is the credit side total? Credit side total.
Six lakh 40,000.
6,40,000.
6,40,000.
Okay, 6,40,000. Then what is the balance difference?
5
5 lakh
60,000.
60,000.
5,60,000 is the balance. Balance carried down. Okay. Carried down balance is not given, so you call that as a by balance carried down. Clear? By
Yes.
balance carried down. Any
Carried
doubt
down.
about this? Huh? You prepare the debtors account and calculate balance 5,60,000. I'll not show the account.
Okay.
Now come to 15 marks question based on cost price. First, I'll complete all the cost price problem. Okay. Then I come to the invoice price. Okay, now you see the problem number 1, cost price method problem. From the following information, prepare branch account in the books of head office. In the books of head office. For the year ending 31st 12 to 1986. All the expenses are paid by head office and daily collection of the branch is remitted to head office. The meaning of this sentence is head office gives cash to the branch for expenses and whatever the branch collects by way of sales, that is directly paid to head office. Okay, this is the meaning of sentence. And that is not useful for you people. Then you tell me, here there are 2 items. Stock on 31st 12, stock on 1/1. What do you mean by these 2?
In branch account.
Branch account. First is opening or closing.
First is closing stock.
Second,
Opening stock.
okay. Then next, debtors.
Debtors account, debit side, opening stock.
Debtors account, opening, debit side. Then second one,
Closing stock.
Closing debtors.
closing debtors. Okay. Then goods sent to branch.
Branch account.
Branch account, debit or credit?
Debit side.
Debit side. Cash sale remitted to head office.
Branch account credit side.
Cash collection from debtors.
Debtors account credit side.
Debtors account credit side. What about branch account?
Branch account credit side.
Branch account
Credit side.
credit side. Okay. Branch account credit side. You remember under branch account credit side buy cash. These 2 items are called as buy cash. One is cash sale, another is collection. These 2 you record under the buy bank. Okay, buy bank or buy cash. Then come to the next. What is the next item?
Goods returned from branch.
Goods returned from branch. Comes on
Credit side
branch account credit
of
side.
branch account.
Then next. Cash sent to branch. Salary rent.
Debit side.
Debit side, branch.
Branch account debit side. Okay. Branch account debit side. Next. PT cash. 1186.
Opening.
Opening balance of petty cash account.
PT cash 31st 12.
Closing.
This is closing. Okay. Discount allowed to debtors.
Debtors account credit side.
Credit
Debtors
side.
account credit side.
Credit side.
Then you see the position. In the branch account, first item is to balance brought down. Branch account debit side, first item is to balance brought down. Okay. Under the to balance brought down, what are the items will you take? ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವು? Yesterday I given the full format.
Opening stock.
Wait. I will mark. First opening stock.
Debtors, opening debtors.
Opening debtors.
Opening datas.
Opening
Goods sent
petty
to
cash.
branch. Goods
Under
sent to
two
branch.
balance brought down. Two balance brought down. What are the items I have to write? Yesterday I given the full format.
Stock,
Opening petty cash.
petty cash,
Opening stock. Opening datas.
Opening petty cash.
opening,
Opening petty cash. Okay.
Other asset.
These
and other assets.
other assets are not in the problem. Is there any assets?
Yes.
No, other
No.
assets are no. Okay.
Hmm.
Then first item covers 3 items. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Hmm.
Then second item of your branch account.
Goods sent to branch account.
Goods sent to branch clear. Okay. Second item clear.
Hmm.
Then what is the third item under the branch account?
Bank
Cash
account.
sent to branch.
Cash sent to branch amount.
Salary and rent 10,000 total.
10,000 total you take. Debit side completed.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Debit side completed. Come to the credit side. What is the first item on the credit side?
Balance.
First item on the credit side.
Opening liability.
Branch account credit side item. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿಯನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಲ 5 marks ದಾಗ. I already
Cash
solved
sales.
2 problems based on 5 marks.
Cash sales.
Cash is.
Credit side cash sales.
By bank, you have to write the heading. Okay. Under the by bank, you have to take 2 items. One is cash sale, another
Cash
is
sales.
collection. Remember
Cash.
this. Okay. First item by bank, that is 4 lakh. Total by bank 4 lakh. It is the